SnaggyMo and PatElite versus Tyceno and Miles. It's not a series, it's not a wager. They just pulled up on us at the park. Let's get it, y'all. Here we go.
Hey, took the money, they don't want no combo. And I need me to mention no condo. And I stay with a dime like Rondo. But you know I'm a boy like Lonzo. I'ma smoke with the cookie and Fonto. And I need it right now like pronto. Some of my niggas came out the pot though. And the foreign too low for the pothole. Oh, you talking about bands?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PatElite, back with some heat. You heard? You feel me? Man, if you feel me, if you got drip, like the video right now. Wait, first thing first. If I cough a lot in this video right here, bro, I do not have the Rona, bro. Stop saying it, bro. I do not have the Rona, bro. Trust me, I don't. But first thing first, we are playing Tyceno Reacts and Miles Brown. This is a friendly game, not a wager, not a series, none of the above. To remind y'all, we are on a West delay. Me, Tyceno, and Mo. Miles Brown is the only one from West. He is not on a delay at all. You feel me? But this was a friendly game. This game was not serious. But keep in mind, this wasn't intense, bro. This game was intense. Trust me. This game was definitely intense, bro. I'm telling you. This was an intense game. Tyceno had the cameras on. He was streaming. And me and Mo decided just to pull up. He was like, why not? And I didn't have my cameras on, but you feel me? The video is still here, though. And you just hear Tyceno in the background. I got his audio in the video. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But once again, man. Wait, before we end. I know 2K20 is low-key coming to an end. It's June already. It's about to be July. June is about to expire in like 3 days, bro. Let me know what system are y'all going to get for 2K21. 2K21 is right around the corner. Let me know if you're going to get the PS5 or the L-Box. I mean the Xbox, my bad. The L-Box. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments right now, bro. Once again, if you have drip, man, like the video. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications too. Squeaker pat. Damn. Squeaker pat is bad. I'm out though, bro. Like the video.
Don't even stress it. It's really unlucky. It's really rare as well. It's rare. No, no one got lagged out. What are you talking about?
I don't know. I just saw it in the chat.
No, the park looks like it's cleared because everyone's crowding the two logos. Ow! Oh, wait. Nice. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
I almost went out of bounds.
Green. Oh, Miles.
Wait. What?
Miles!
I didn't even move. That's not my bro. I didn't even move.
I'm playing with you, bro. Don't stress it. Oh my god. Get him! Get him! Oh.
I didn't even know he was gonna at least that.
Yeah, just bait. It's just you basically bait Pat and then you run back to Snaggy as quick as you can.
And if I want to stop that, that's square, not triangle, right? On the alley-oops.
No. You stand in front and you just try and block him off. That's honestly the best way.
Yeah.
And yes, it's square. Oh no!
Oh my god! I should have just held.
If he's trapped, hold and then try and go at the right time.
Yep.
Bro, Snaggy wants you.
Oh my god!
He's gonna stand for the Snaggy, man. Come on, Miles.
I keep thinking he's gonna Euro or whatever it is.
All you gotta do is stand in front of him. Focus. Stand in front. Hold out 2 when you're in the paint.
Yeah.
Come on, got that, man. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Chat.
Come on, Miles! Rebound! Nice! Wait. Ah, that's on me, that's on me. Don't worry about it. That's on me, that's on me. That's the easiest shot.
Good.
Get a stop, get a stop. You got another one, bro. You got another one. Come on.
Yeah, we good.
Nice! Rebound! Good jump! I'm there. Chill.
Nice.
I gotta take him. Chill, take our time.
Watch out.
Yeah. Oh, he wants to let you shoot. Nice.
I'm about to get take. I need like one thing. It doesn't matter.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. He's bullying you. I'm gonna try and let you bully him with some mids. Let's see what we can get. See what we can do. Cause he's leaving you, bro. He thinks you can't shoot.
Yeah. I don't know.
I got rebound. Oh, unlucky. What was the percent? I'm curious.
I wasn't.
Run up. Get the steal. Oh, when I get stuck there, you should run up and get the steal.
Okay.
Because Snaggy can't shoot, so there's no point in guarding him.
Alright, I'm gonna jump.
Let's go. We Charlotte? I know you are saying. I can tell. Pat's not even trying to score. Come on, Miles.
Pat's gonna Snaggy every time.
Oh, God, Miles!
Wait, what? Wait, what was that? I didn't press anything.
You might have moved your right stick up and it makes you flick. Don't flick your right stick, or it makes you do like a hands up flick.
Really? What?
Good D. Jump for the rebound. Nice. Nice. They're playing defense though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, they're playing defense, but they weren't originally.
I feel like they're trying to beat you just by going to you. So I'm just gonna end this game. Let's have some fun. Shall take. Get my boards if I miss. Wait for me to get close to you, dear.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're right there.
Oh, Snaggy! I suck on this West Park, bro. I'm so used to the stage. It's slightly smoother than the stage. My fault. Let's go. One stop. You got him. You got him. Nice. Nice. Dotting. Good shot.
Yeah, I don't even need to take threes.
Nah, you can take him now though, because you're hot. What? Do you have green machine on? What's the green machine on?
Yes.
What's it on? Oh yeah,
purple.
you can definitely shoot after a mid then. Shoot a three right here.
Yeah.
Boom. It's green. See?
Yeah.
When green machine's on, you will not miss. Trust me.
Yeah, thanks. Oh my god, to be tripping though.
Three for the win. Oh, he got it. I'll scream for you. I'll scream for you.
You're gonna scream for me?
Damn, I want you to win it. Win it. Oh, unlucky. Good try.
I was lucky contesting.
Pat's not gonna shoot. No, he is. He shot. Oh, my god.
Oh, they probably let us go to 19 and they're gonna come back.
Alright, play hard. Play hard. Play hard.
That's probably what they're gonna do.
Play hard. Play hard.
Oh my god. Can't do anything about that.
Come on, Miles. One stop. One stop, Miles. No. Help. Help a little higher. A little higher. Okay. If they screen, help a little higher.
Yeah, okay.
Rebound. Sold. Chill. 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 Yeah, I'm winning it. I'm winning it.
Yeah.
Take our time.
Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah, yeah. Don't worry. Don't worry. Wait. What? Don't cut. Oh,
No.
That's on me. That's on me. I thought you were coming to me. That's on me. My bad. I thought you were coming to me. When I'm trapped, don't run away. Just come to me. Yeah. Let's go. One stop. Oh my god. Get him, Miles. Come on, Miles. Nice. Yellow, rebound. Miles, box out.
What? What?
You gotta box
I was holding
out.
L2 the whole time.
You gotta
What the
L2
heck?
and push your left stick into him. You have to. You have to push it into him.
Okay, okay.
You're good, you're good.
What the heck, bro?
Oh, GG's, boys. Hey, that was fun. GG's. That's more me than you.
Oh
That's more
my
me than you. GG's. GG's.
You good.
Hey, congrats, Pat and Snaggy. 9 of 17. GG's.
I love how Snaggy kept dunking on me, too.
Yeah, if I ever get trapped, run straight to me. Don't try and fake anything out. Just run straight to me.
Got it. Okay, okay.
I just got chemistry. We're good.
That was funny. Ain't nobody hit SS2.
What a game, boys. What a game.
I'm supposed to have Rim Protector Hall of Fame, right?
Bitch, we got choppers. We kicking works like soccer. I beat the pussy up like I'm a boxer. We eating noodles, no lobster. No kill. We proper. You know that gang gon' prosper. You niggas acting Oscars. How you put rats on rosters? In my town, I'm jiggy.